As a carpenter, you love what you do. You take pride in your work. You've already worn out 2 sets of the cheap, foreign, home store tool aprons, and now you're ready to get some real tool bags. Occidental Leather has been making tool bags in the USA since 1980. They are the most comfortable, long-lasting, well-designed bags you can buy. We manufacture a variety of designs for the working tradesman, from our all-leather tool belts to our beltless suspension systems. Lefties will be happy to know that we offer left-handed versions, mirror images of our most popular models. Here's a rundown of the types of tool carrying systems we manufacture. One-piece belt worn. This is the tool belt Occidental Leather was founded on, an all-leather one-piece assembly. The Buscadero one-piece design forms to your body, distributing the load evenly, and maximum comfort is enhanced by the sheepskin lining. These, and all our products, are handcrafted for a lifetime of use. Adjust to fit. This unique system features the same wide hip design as our one-piece set, yet gives the carpenter a fully adjustable belt. Constructed of a combination of rugged commercial nylon, high-quality leather, and high-density neoprene padding with extra-wide hip areas. An adjust-to-fit tool belt system can be securely adjusted anywhere from size small to extra large. This allows for the perfect fit no matter how many layers you wear or how many pounds you lose. One tool belt set for all seasons. Component belt worn. Our component systems are great when you desire flexibility and choice. Begin with the foundation, a 3-inch wide belt. Then slide on the tool bags and accessories of your choice. It's easy to swap out components for different jobs. These versatile tool systems offer bags made of leather, nylon, or a leather-nylon combo. We have many belt packages to suit most needs. Belt-free. Sometimes the best belt is no belt. Occidental's belt-free systems are a shoulder-worn method of carrying tools and fasteners that provides even load distribution as an alternative to a hip-worn tool belt. They help distribute the weight evenly across the torso, work great when wearing bulky winter clothes, and keep your tools easily within reach. There is no one system that works in all situations. For example, you might do concrete work one day and trim or cabinet work another. A good, versatile tradesman will have an array of tool-carrying methods depending on the job at hand.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.